Trading for a Living by Alexander Elder. Trading for a Living is a comprehensive guide to the basics of trading, written by a professional trader and psychiatrist. Elder covers a wide range of topics, including risk management. Elder emphasizes the importance of risk management in trading, and provides practical advice on how to limit your losses and protect your capital. Trading psychology. Elder discusses the psychological challenges of trading, and offers guidance on how to overcome them. Technical analysis. Elder introduces the basic concepts of technical analysis, and provides examples of how to use charts and indicators to identify trading opportunities. Key takeaways. Trading is a business, and it takes time and effort to learn how to do it successfully. Discipline and risk management are essential for success. Technical analysis can be a valuable tool for identifying trading opportunities, but it is not a magic bullet. Elder's book is a good starting point for anyone who is interested in learning how to trade. It is written in a clear and concise style, and it includes numerous examples and illustrations.